Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a video using AI. It's absolutely free. You don't need any payment, any experience and any other things. Just drag and drop, then your video are ready for view and post Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. So I'm going to studio.invideo.io. This is AI tool, a text to image, stock, media, video editor, etc. So today I will use a text to video. Just I'm going to here's lots of millions of free template. You can use any one. It's absolutely free plan here. So this link I will attach in description below. Then click here. Then you can see this is a dashboard. Just put your Gmail. This is enough. So now I want to choose a promo template. Just I use this template. So use this template. Just click here if you want to create a 16:9. Just a landscape, square and a portrait. So I want to create landscape video. Just use a template. You can choose others. This does not. So now I want to write a this motivation script. Just click for generate. Then you can see this is a magic. Just click here. Then I am waiting a few seconds. Wow, this tool write a full script for me. Just 2 seconds. Then I'm copy this one. So now just I select premium option. I have a premium plan here. So if you don't have premium, don't worry, you can use just free. You can just click here for free. So I click for create scenes, then wait a few seconds. Then you can see this is the magic and power of this tool. So you can see this tool create a amazing script and amazing video, then amazing everything. So if I want to change anything, this is possible. If I change this bird, this is possible. Just drag and drop here, then edit scenes. Then I want to load down here. So attention. Okay, that's good. So I don't need to change anything here. You can see my video are ready for view, and now I want to generate a voiceover. Just go voiceover, then I want to select voiceover and automated text to speech. I select this one. If you have already voiceover recorded, so put here. So I put my script, then I choose voice over artist. So I choose I choose John, then click voiceover, then wait a few seconds. I choose John, just voiceover, click generating, then wait a few seconds. So 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Just click for add. Wow, then I want to delete this song because this is copyright problem. So I select this one. This is really good. really nice. I really appreciate this tool. Now I'm going to export, then download. Then this is. So if you want to more video about this type of chat GPT make money online related, please message me and comment below. I will try and create those type of videos. See you next video. Tata.